Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Nori from Brawl Stars. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the bangs with a curve across. Then let's curve it up on each end. And add 2 lines up inside. Now let's draw a curve down on each side that's a little bit longer. And then let's curve it out. And a large curve on top to close off the top of the head. Now underneath each side, let's draw a curve down and back up. And then a curve across for the chin. Now on the sides, let's add a bump out for the ears. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's hop in and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 curves across for the tops of the eyes. And let's thicken each of these lines up with another curve. And then let's add a curve down underneath. Now inside each eye, let's add an oval for the pupils. And then color these both in black. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the eyebrows. Let's start in the center and let's draw a curve up on an angle. Then let's bring it up on each end. And then another curve along the top. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a curve in the center. And then on top, let's draw a small triangle for the nose. Now let's hop back out and let's draw a set of curves down and in. And then connect it with a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a line across near the top. And then 2 points down underneath. Now starting from the side, let's draw a curve down and back up to the other side. And another curve inside in the center. Lastly, let's hop out and let's draw an angle up on each side. And curve it down and back in underneath. And that's it for the face. Now let's finish off the hair at the top. Let's start with 2 angles up. And a curve across the top. Now from the top, let's draw 2 lines down. And then 1 more curve across the bottom. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and add the body. Let's start with 2 lines underneath for the neck. And then underneath, let's draw 2 angles out and up. Then from the top, let's bring it back in to the head here. And then 2 angles down and in from the ends. Now to finish off the collar, let's hop to the center and let's draw an angle over to the left. Bring it down underneath. And an angle on the right side. And then let's angle it back in on the left. And that's it for the collar. Now on each side, let's bring it out for the shoulders. And then 2 long curves down, meeting at a point at the bottom. Now we're going to hop inside and add a circle on the top right. And now thicken up this line with another circle. And one more smaller one in the center. Next, let's hop to the bottom of the body and let's draw 2 bumps. And one more underneath. Now for the next part, let's hop out near the shoulders and let's draw a point out on each side. And then one more underneath and back in. Next, let's hop out and let's draw the arms and hands. Next to these points, let's draw a curve down. And let's curve it out from the top and bottom. And one more curve to close off the wristbands. And add one more curve across inside. Now let's add the arms by drawing an angle down and bring it back in on each side. Now let's hop up and let's draw the hands. Let's start with a bump in and back out on each side for the thumbs. And now before we add the rest of the hands, let's draw the bamboo stick. Next to the thumb, let's draw a line out on each side. And let's make the right side a little bit longer. Then on the other side of the thumbs, let's draw another line back in along the tops of the shoulders. Then let's curve it up on each end. And a line across and back in on both sides. Now that we have the shape of the bamboo, let's finish the hands. On top of the wristbands, let's draw a curve up. And then add 3 bumps on top for the fingers. Now that we're done the hands, we can hop into the bamboo and draw some details. Let's start with 2 curves inside on the left and on the right. And then on the right, let's draw another set of curves near the end. Now in the right section, let's draw an oval on an angle and a bump out on top and the bottom like this to form an X shape. Now let's add the rope and the fish underneath. Let's start with 2 lines down. And then add a large circle underneath. Now inside the circle, let's draw a curve across. Now let's continue the rope underneath with 2 lines. Now for the fish, let's start under and let's draw a curve out to the left and back around. Then from the bottom, let's continue it out to the right. And then from the top, let's angle it up and a curve down. Now inside this section, let's draw a circle on the left here. And add a line inside. And then in the right, let's draw a larger circle for the eye. A line down in the center. And then a bump inside the left section. And color this in black. Now let's continue the body on the left with an angle up. And a large curve down and up underneath. And then let's add a line across inside at the bottom. Now let's add a fin on the right side with a curve out and back in. And then for the tail, let's add a curve up at the bottom. And close it off with a straight line. And one more line down inside. And that's it for the fish. Now let's hop back in and let's finish off the body. We'll start with 2 curves down. And then 2 angles underneath in the center. And then a curve to close off each side. Now underneath each leg, let's draw 2 lines down. And a curve at the bottom. Now let's continue the legs by drawing a line down on each side in the middle. And then a shorter line on the outside. Now let's add a bump down. And close off the bottom of each foot. Now to add the sandals, let's add a curve across the bottom. And color this part in black. And then inside the feet, let's draw 2 bumps. And then 2 bumps on top. And color these in black as well. And that's it for Nori. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!